to visit. Tell me, doctor, am I really sick? He said I'm showing characteristics of being a snobby bitch.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my wash routine for my hair, which is partially and partially very heat damaged. My hair is partially damaged, partially natural. You'll see in the video what I mean when I say it's partially damaged, because it doesn't have a curl, but it has a curl, so it's really weird. So for this video, I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I take care of my hair while it's transitioning more or less from heat damage. I'm going to be showing you guys what shampoos, conditioners, and all that I use. I want to do this video for people who don't really know what to do with their hair while it's in that weird stage in between being fully natural and still being damaged, and also for people who do not want to big chop, because I have a big head, so I'm probably not going to be big chopping or cutting my hair anytime soon. So I'm going to show you guys what shampoo, conditioner, all those products that I use, and I'll also show you guys what I moisturize with afterwards and how I'm maintaining my hair so I can retain length and also retain the health of my new growth. So if you guys are interested in that, then make sure you keep watching. And before we get started with this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. That is a mouthful, and I'm starting to get very tired of doing it like that. So this is what my hair looks like before. I haven't washed my hair in, I want to say it's been like a week or two. I had braids before this. I took the braids out. I washed my hair with the braids, and I took my braids out maybe like a week and some change ago. So it's going on 2 weeks that I haven't washed my hair. I don't feel the need to wash my hair every single week or every other day or anything like that, because my hair actually does retain moisture pretty well. I don't really have dry hair, and I feel like washing it more often will make my hair drier, because, you know, your hair gets stripped when it gets washed and all that. So my hair is pretty dirty at this point in time. I have a very weird hair. So a lot of people who straighten their hair, they can straighten their hair once a year and they don't get any damage, or they get like very minimal damage. I straighten my hair one time and my hair is gone. So that's another reason why I'm not too sure if I do want to go fully natural, because I can never straighten my hair. If I do all that work, if I put all that work in, I can never straighten my hair again, because I will ruin everything that I've done. Because my hair is so sensitive to heat, I can't be as versatile as I would want to as a full-blown natural, because that's a lot of work. I would have to put in so much effort in order to get my hair to be where I want it to be. And then if one day I'm like, oh, okay, I'm going to an event or I'm doing something, I'm going to straighten my hair, everything's ruined and it's back to square one. Alright y'all, so this is my hair after I finish washing it, and as you can see, it's really weird because it is damaged, but it also has like a wave to some parts of it. There's not a clear line of demarcation. So if I were to do a big chop, I wouldn't know where to cut my hair at, you know what I mean? So my hair is damaged, but it's, I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. It's damaged, but it's not, but it is. It really is, but I don't know. I don't know what type of hair, or I don't know. I don't know what hair type that I have. So this could be close to what my regular curl pattern is. I literally have no pictures of me from when I was a baby or a kid with just my hair out. So I have no idea what my curls look like. This could be close to my actual curl pattern in my hair. Because, I mean, there are curls. There are waves. But to me, my hair is damaged. I think my hair is damaged. So if anybody knows anything about hair, to be like, yeah, girl, no, I think that's just your hair type. I don't think this is just my hair type. I'm like 100% sure my hair is damaged, but it's also not damaged. I've had a perm in 5 years. I straighten my hair maybe once every 6 months, once every 3 months if I'm not feeling like dealing with it, but since I've gone ahead and I have washed my hair and done my mask and all that, I'm going to show you guys what I put on my hair and the products that I use to kind of maintain my hair and make sure that it is moisturized while it's in this weird transitional-ish stage. Yeah. So as of lately, I've really simplified my hair care routine. I used to try to use a whole lot of products, and I realized that the type of hair that I have, I can't use super heavy products on my hair. So currently right now I will use a leave-in conditioner or a sealing butter, and the sealing butter that I'm using now is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter. Wait, hold on, sorry. Along with this, I've been using an oil. Now usually I'll use like coconut oil or something like that, and I do still have coconut oil you know, in my house to use, but I also went and got this essential 7 treatment oil by Cream of Nature, and I've been really liking this oil in my hair as well. I've learned that with the type of hair that I have, or the type of hair that I think that I have, less is more. So when I'm like packing on products, it does nothing but weigh my hair down. It makes my hair look like a flat piece of mud because my hair is already damaged, and on top of being damaged, I'm putting 6, 7, 8 products on it, and it's like, what are you doing to me? Are you trying to suffocate me? And I'm like, no, girl, I'm trying to help you grow. She's like, I can't grow because I'm suffocating. Also, to help my hair grow a little bit faster, I've been using the Do Grow Mega Thick Hair Growth Oil, and this stuff works really well. So basically, I'm gonna tell y'all a little story real quick. My mom tells the story of when I was a baby, and I all my hair kind of fell out, and the only thing that would help my hair grow back was Do Grow. Now I don't know if she was talking about Do Grow the grease or Do Grow the oil, but I went and got the oil, and so far I'm loving the oil. I really enjoy the oil. So now that I've told you guys what products work for my hair, maybe you can see if my hair kind of reminds you of your own hair, and we can figure out what kind of hair we got. Because girl, my hair, I don't know what this is, what hair type this is, where it's going, what it's doing. If you see the part in the back that's really short, it's because I big chopped the back of my head. Call myself big chop in the back of my head. So the back of my hair is way shorter than the rest of my hair, so everything's uneven right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking, and I'm gonna put all the products in my hair so you guys can see how my natural hair looks just moisturized. I'm gonna try to hurry up and do this part because I am losing sunlight, and I realized with this camera everything looks better when I have sunlight. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and do this. So if it doesn't look the best, I'm sorry, but I need to, it's borderline 7 o'clock, so the sun is like, okay guys, I lost the sun. It went all the way down, so I had to pull out my ring light, and I hope with this lighting you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about when I say my hair is very damaged, but also not very damaged, because if you look at this side of my hair, this side has more like oomph to it. It's more, let's see, hold on, let me turn that up a little bit. It has more of like a curl consistency. Like it looks like curly hair. But it's not all the way curly. It's like a weird wavy type curl that is not able to be defined the way I want it to. Like, this is when I have my hair like raked through, and these curls aren't defined at all. The front of my hair is the worst part of my hair. This is where everything is kind of like flat, and there's really no curl at all in the front of my hair, like at all. You can see where it wants to curl. It wants to curl so bad. Like, my hair want to be curly so bad, but it just won't do it. Hopefully, in the future, I can get my hair to be at its full potential, or at least all of it to look like this side. This is the side that I tend to cut more. So if I straighten my hair, or if I'm looking at my hair and the piece looks really straight to where I can see where like the line of demarcation is, I'll go ahead and snip it. And this is also the side that I wear my part on. So this is the side that gets the most love, clearly. Hopefully I can get my hair to where I want it to be, and then in the future I can do more curly hair videos for you guys, and maybe do like a hair journey or like hair updates or anything like that if you guys are interested in seeing that. All I have for you guys today. If you guys did like this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.